Hey guys, it's Miss Hayward. I just wanted to give you a quick video to let you know what's coming home in your folders tomorrow with Fluency. So first thing that you're going to receive is a Dear Family letter just telling you a little bit about fact fluency. And the next page is going to be how we use extra math. This is something we use in the classroom to track our progress. And if you'll look at the grid here, you'll notice that it has different colors. The green is going to mean your student has mastered that fact. The yellow means that they are very close to mastering it, but they are not have it under 5 seconds. And the gray means they have missed that every time. So it's a fact that they definitely need to work on. And the last area in white means it has not been assessed yet. So basically that just goes through 1, 2, 3, and 4 and how this grid helps you realize what your facts your child knows and doesn't know. The next paper is an individual graph for your child, and I will zoom in here. This student has a lot of green. That means he or she knows all of these facts relatively quickly. The yellow is they know them, but they're not quick enough, and the gray was they're not really reliable on that. And of course the white, and this child doesn't have any white, means they have not attempted those yet. The next thing that you are going to receive at home is a baggie of goodies. Inside that goodie bag, you will have number cards, dot cards, some dice, and some index cards. What will I do with these? Well, you can first, we'll start with the dice, and we are going to roll the dice here. We're going to roll it, and we've got the plus sign. So we have the facts 4 plus 9. So your child is going to tell you what the sum of 4 plus 9 is. And once they've got it, they can move on. Remember, our goal is under 5 seconds. You can roll again and keep playing. Oh, this time we have subtraction. So we're going to take our larger number, 10. We're going to subtract 3, and they're going to tell you the difference between 10 and 3. So that is what you can do with your dice. You can also have your dice out for our next game with number cards. You can turn the cards upside down, and you can draw out what you need. So I've got a 6, and I didn't shuffle these, so I'm going to go over here. And a 5. So we've got 6 and 5. 6 plus 5, or 5 plus 6. You can make sure you ask them the commutative property. So 5 plus 6, and then switch it around and say, is that the same as 6 plus 5? So those are with the number cards. You can play that game. A next one is dot cards, my favorite. So you can draw 2 different dot cards. So we have 1 plus 6. You can ask them what the sum of 1 plus 6 is, and then you can switch it around and show them the commutative property of 6 plus 1, because they need to know that both facts, 1 plus 6 and 6 plus 1. The last thing in your packet are flashcards. Some kids learn best by flashcards. So when you go back to your child's grid here, you may, so I can get the grid up, you may want to make flashcards for the ones that are in yellow or gray. And what I do usually in class is I pick some facts over here in green, and I focus on no more than 5 to 7 facts. So pick 3 facts from green and maybe 3 facts from yellow and make flashcards for them, and then you can just fold them in. So what I mean by that is always have facts they know and facts that they are working on, so they have some success on those. You are not required to do flashcards. It may not be your child's favorite. They may love the dice, or they may love number card, or they may love the dot cards. There are many different options you can do with your child to help them with fact fluency. If you have any questions, please let me know.